مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Today's lesson is on page 43 and it is about plural demonstrative pronouns. I need your attention, please. Let's take it step by step. We know and we learned before the demonstrative pronoun in singular for masculine. هذا قلم. This is a pen. قلم is an object. And you will say هذان قلمان. These are two pens. If you are dealing with a human, you use the same demonstrative pronoun for singular. هذا ولد. This is a boy. So we're using هذا for a singular object and هذا for singular human. هذان duo, we use this for masculine object, two items. هذان قلمان. We use the same thing for human being. هذان ولدان. So masculine, masculine, duo, duo. But when you come to the plural, however, plural in Arabic, for as long as it's not a human being, you relate to that plural, you consider it as if you are dealing with feminine singular. Let's illustrate that. هذه is for feminine singular, both for object or human being. هذه ملعقة. هذه بنت. This is a spoon. هذه بنت. This is a girl. هاتان ملعقتان. These are two spoons. هاتان بنتان. These are two girls. So any object, non-human plural, you relate to it, consider it as if you are dealing with a singular feminine. So in this case, you use هذه. Although originally قلم is masculine, but in the plural format, because it's not a human plural, you refer to it as singular feminine. You say هذه أقلام. You put plural of pens, أقلام, but you relate to it as if you are pointing to a feminine singular. هذه أقلام. It doesn't matter whether that plural is a masculine or feminine, for as long as it's not human. You relate to it and point to it as if you are dealing with a singular feminine. So you see, هذه ملاعق. These are spoons. That's a three or more. It's feminine, its origin. We relate to it as singular feminine. And this one is masculine origin. And we relate to it in plural as feminine singular. So هذا قلم. هذان قلمان. هذه أقلام. هذه ملعقة. هاتان ملعقتان. هذه ملاعق. But for human, when you're referring to human in plural, three or more, you use هؤلاء for these are, and is gender neutral. You use هؤلاء referring to male plural as well as female plural. So you say هؤلاء أولاد. These are boys. هؤلاء بنات. These are girls. So you can simply see what we are analyzing here. هذا and هذان is used for male object as well as a human being. But هذه is used for singular feminine as well as all plurals which are not human. You say هذه to them. So هؤلاء is for both male or female plural, 3 or more. You say هؤلاء أولاد and هؤلاء بنات. If you understand that, so the هذا that applies to ذلك as well. ذلك is that. So you used that masculine for both object as well as a human being. You say ذلك قلم, ذلك قلم, and ذلك ولد. Duo, which is ذلك for masculine, you use it for object as well as human. ذلك قلمان, ذلك ولدان. أولئك, those, you use that only for human, 3 or more. أولئك أولاد, أولئك بنات. When you want to refer to object, saying أولئك, I'm saying those, you refer to non-human plural used as a singular feminine again. You use in this case tilka. So you say tilka, as you can see here, when we come to pens. This is ذلك قلم, that is a pen. ذلك قلمان, those are 2 pens. تلك أقلام, those are pens. This means 3 or more. We are referring that using tilka as if we are talking about a feminine singular. So tilka is used for singular feminine as well as to refer to all non-human beings. To say those, you will say tilka. Let's recap that, and that is on page 43. It's laid out for you there, hopefully very clearly indeed. So it may sound complicated, but it's not really. If you look at the exercise 32, which you need to do for me, I've asked you to collect all the things which should be under هذا from this list. So you collect everything which is singular masculine, you put them under هذا. It doesn't matter whether it's object or human, for as long as it's singular masculine. Under هؤلاء, this means these, هؤلاء, only human 3 or more in a plural will come under this column, هؤلاء. But under this هذه, you collect everything which is singular female, feminine, as well as all non-human plural. They will come under هذه. So هذه can simply mean this is, or these are, referring to non-human plural. Finally, remember هؤلاء has mean these or these are, only referring to human 3 or more, and it doesn't matter whether it's masculine or feminine, human. But equally, أولئك, those, refers to human being 3 or more, regardless of whether you are referring to masculine or feminine, for as long as they are human. هذه, you use it to refer to a singular female, feminine singular, as well as all non-human plural when you want to say these are, and they are not human. That is the summary of the demonstrative pronoun, how to use it in plural format. So study page 43 as well as page 44 and do the exercise 32 for me. Hopefully this has been explained to you in a simple way, and I'm sure and I trust that you have understood it. Well done. أحسنتم. Goodbye. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.